20 powerful English verbs. Achieve. Reach a goal. Improve. Make better. Admire. Respect someone. Increase. Become greater. Apologize. Say sorry. Observe. Watch carefully. Arrange. Put in order. Perform. Carry out an action. Assist. Help someone. Prepare. Get ready. Avoid. Stay away from. Protect. Keep safe. Believe. Accept as true. Recommend. Suggest. Create. Make something new. Respond. Reflect. Discover. Find something. Solve. Find an answer. Encourage. Give support. Encourage. Give support. Succeed. Achieve success. Thank you for watching. If you have liked the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more English grammar videos.